how to make a PDF file from Google Docs. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today I'm going to show you how you can simply turn your Google Docs into a PDF file. Let's dive right in. First things first, go to your Google Chrome and then open up your Google Docs. Now once you're done editing it, just give it a title and then go to file option, and here you'll be able to see download option, so you can see PDF document right here. Just tap on PDF document and now it will be saved as a PDF. You can tap on it and open it up. And there you go. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.